Next up, Left Behind for Handshake and Last Farewell for Gunny. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. This is a choice quest. You either complete it for Gunny or for Handshake. Essentially, you'll be finding a body and you'll either be leaving it to complete it for Handshake and fail for Gunny, or you'll be marking it with a GPS tracker provided by Gunny in order to complete the quest for him and fail it for Handshake. Either way, you'll be losing 100 rep from one trader or the other based on whichever other one you complete the quest with. The only difference between them is Handshake will give you 2 chest plates and Gunny will give you a M4A1. The cash and XP is the same, as well as the experience gain or reputation gain with each trader. Whichever one you feel more comfortable gaining points with, you should pick them here. Personally, as Handshake requires 2,000 rep to the next tier instead of 1,000, I'll probably be finding it and leaving it so I can complete it for Handshake. Anyways, let's get on it. In order to find this body with or without the GPS tracker, zoom into your town, find the general T shape, and look up from the T. So, all the way up here, across this road, you'll find this split in the road with 2 sand roads. This one across to the right is where we'll be heading. It's a very long way away. If you've already unlocked your 3rd landing zone, that is where you should be traveling to make life a bit more easy. Let's do it. Alright, so we're now approaching this house that I marked previously, and inside of him is where we'll need to find the body. Now, just keep in mind, there will be some guards in the area, more than likely, so just be prepared when you're approaching here. You can already see one over here, and there's one more by the front of this house. So clearing out the 4 guards in this area, we should be able to, around the front, find the body that we're looking for. Now, this body you can either mark or not mark. Either way, walk up to it and either mark it or scroll to select and do not mark. Either way, you'll only have one choice. If you don't have a marker, once you select your option, well, that's it. You complete for the one, you fail for the other. That's that. So for now, you can head back now that your choice is made and pick up one of the 2 rewards. So heading over to whichever vendor is left, we can go to them and complete our task. That's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.